add you one topic, that is functioning of mouse. Okay, functioning of mouse. What is the operation of mouse in Revit? Okay, so mouse has plays a major role in this software. So to zoom in and zoom out, okay, to perform zoom in and zoom out, we have to make use of the wheel in the mouse. Okay, you can see wheel in the mouse, roller. Okay, if you make it to and fro, if you roll it to and fro, then you can perform zoom in and zoom out operation. Okay, in the mouse. Not only in this view, you can do the same thing in the plan view as well. Okay, so it will zoom in exactly at the cursor. Okay, wherever you place the cursor, it will zooms at that portion. Okay, if you place your cursor here and if you roll the mouse scroll button, then it will zooms here. Okay, this is how we can perform zoom in and zoom out operation by using mouse. Okay, and as well, we have an alternative for this zoom in and zoom out, that is by using the navigation tools. In the navigation tool, if you click here, you can find various types of zooms. Zoom in region, zoom out. Okay, if you select this zoom out 2 times, it will zooms out twice. Okay, next, zoom to fit. So zoom to fit means it will zoom so that it covers the elevations as well. Okay, it will covers the elevations as well. Next, zoom all to fit is also similar to zoom to fit. Okay, this is about sheet size. These are the various types of zooms in the navigation bar. Okay, so apart from that, many number of times which is very easier for us to use is rolling the mouse scroll button. Okay, rolling this, performing zoom in and zoom out, it is very useful. Okay, next thing is if you have seen, for suppose now this is how I have to, once again, okay, so this is my particular zoom. Okay, I just want to view my drawing to this size. Okay, view scale. Okay, the size, zoom size will be like this only. I just want to view every corner of my plan. Okay, so but currently for this zoom scale, but I can able to see only a partial part of my plan. Okay, I can't able to see the complete plan. Okay, for this zoom scale, but I just want to see the every corner with the same zoom scale without changing it. Okay, so how can I see? Similarly, look at this. So if you want to, without changing the zoom scale, if you want to examine, if you want to see each and every corner of your plan, here we have pan command. Okay, pan command. Look at this. I can able to move the drawing sheet directly from one place to another place. Okay, so that I can examine each and every corner of my plan. Okay, each and every side, each and every portion of my plan. So that is about pan command. So how can we use this pan command means, if you long press the mouse scroll button, okay, if you long press the roller in the mouse and slightly move your cursor, then it will activate the pan tool. Okay, we can able to use the pan command, and by using this we can able to move our drawing sheet, not the plan. Okay, listen carefully, not the plan. We are not moving the plan here, we are moving the complete drawing sheet only. Okay, drawing sheet only from one place to another place. The plan is in its position only. Okay, there is no changes in the plan. We are not changing the plan anymore. We are just moving the drawing sheet. Okay, that is about pan command. Even this pan command we can make use by using this navigation tool. So look at this. In the navigation tool, here you have pan tool. If you long press that and if you slightly move your cursor, then it will activate the pan tool. Okay, and if you want to close it, just click on close, and here you can go for zoom in and zoom out. If you long press the zoom and if you slightly move your cursor, then it will perform zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and rewind the earlier zooms. It will rewind the earlier zooms. Okay, if you click on zoom, it will remind the earlier zooms and earlier positions in the navigation. Okay, so if you want to close this wheel, just click on this cross symbol. Okay, that is about the navigation bar here. So by using this navigation bar, we can able to perform zoom and pan operations. Okay, and also one more thing I have done, that is about 3D orbit rotation. Okay, so I have rotated my building like this. You may have a doubt how I have done this, right? So this can be done by keyboard and mouse simultaneously. Okay, so if you long press the shift key in the keyboard, okay, if you long press the shift key in the keyboard and long press the scroll button in the mouse, if you hold both the things at a time and slightly move your cursor, then you can able to perform 3D orbit rotation. Okay, here we are just rotating our building 360 degrees. Okay, to examine each and every corner of our structure, okay, of our building. Okay, look at this. You can see as I perform rotation here, this view cube is also rotating. Look at this. So currently it is of north direction, okay, backside view, and now this is left direction, okay, which is west view, west direction. So like, okay, this is the front view, which is of south elevation. Okay, so if you want to come back to the default position, default 3D view, so in the view cube here you can find the home symbol. Just click on this home symbol. It will take you to the default 3D view. Okay, default 3D view. Okay, so if you want to see the top view in the 3D itself, you can simply click on this view cube, the top option in the view cube. It will take you to the top view. Okay, if you want to go to the right side view, you can just click on this arrows here. It will take you to the right side view in the 3D view itself. Okay, in the 3D view by using this view cube. So you cannot find this view cube in the plan view. Okay, look at this. We don't have view cube, right? This view cube is only present in the 3D view, 3D platform itself. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So functioning of mouse, importance of mouse in Revit software. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Thank you for your responses. Yeah. So we have, I hope you are clear with this placement of door and loading the doors. Shall we proceed to the next topic?